Okay, in this lesson, let us talk about adding captions to your video. So you can have captions on your video that may be on YouTube, but also Facebook and other platforms allow captions as well. So what are captions? Well, they're those little words at the bottom of a video that basically explain what's going on in the video for people who might be hearing impaired or if English isn't their first language, it helps people to better be able to understand. So let me see if I can just show you. One of my courses is completely closed captioned, and it's my life hacking with color psychology. So let's just look at the intro video. Hi there, my name is Kristen and I'm here today to talk to you about life hacking with color psychology. Essentially, life hacking with color psychology is all about how you can use little secret color tips and tricks. So we're not going to listen to the whole thing, but you get the idea. So it's this text in the yellow here. So there is a very easy way to add captions to your videos. But step one is we're actually going to go to YouTube to do that. So let's click off of the goofy image of me and I'll show you how to do that in YouTube. And I'll use my video business card as an example.